We were doing an attic inspection, and right away I'm up here a couple minutes and I can see a couple issues already. So you have a bathroom exhaust vent. The vent is just torn to shreds. That's for our bathroom exhaust vent. We got the second one right here, damaged, obviously blowing into the attic. And then we have an AC duct. As hot as it is in this attic, and I appreciate air blowing in here, we do have an AC duct blowing into the attic damage. And this is just the start of the attic inspection.